Hello friends, my name is Dr. Sikandar Ali and you are watching my channel Sikandar Surgical World. Today we are going to learn the slip knot. The simple principle for the slip knot is that we use 3 throws, first 2 throws in same direction with index finger like Greenwich knot, and third throw like reef knot in opposite direction to make it secure. Okay, so this is simple demonstration. First throw with index finger, second throw with index finger, make long lip straight and slip it down with index finger. Once it is settled, okay, then make a third throw with middle finger in opposite direction to make it reef knot, which is more secure. Thank you very much. If you like, please subscribe my channel.